Hello everyone on a Friday evening. Win here. I hope you are all doing just fantastic. It was kind of a split day today. We had low pressure hanging off of Cape Cod, and that brought clouds and showers to southern and eastern areas. However, the North Country actually saw quite a bit of sunshine today, and temperatures rose into the 50s. Now that nice, mild, and sunny weather is actually going to expand further to the south and east tomorrow, and we all get into the niceness here. Look at these yellows. That's indicating some low to mid 60s here from Maine all the way down to Mass. Now the only fly in the ointment here is going to be a stiff southeasterly wind that is going to kick up along the immediate coastline, and that'll probably knock temperatures back into the high 40s and low 50s during the afternoon. But away from the immediate coast, it looks like an absolutely gorgeous day tomorrow. Now that was the good part of the forecast. Now into the not so good. We've got a storm coming, and it is going to be a nor'easter that's actually going to form off the coast. And you know what that means. It's going to wrap some cold air in, and I think some of us are in for some late April snow. Now, everything starts Sunday afternoon, and at first it's warm enough to start as rain, but as we saturate the atmosphere, the temperature is going to cool, and we're going to transition over to snow, especially in the higher elevations of the Granite and Pine Tree states. Moving forward here, it's a pretty long-lasting storm. This is at around 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning on Monday, and we're still raining in southern and coastal zones and still snowing inland and mountains. Now, this is going to be a significant snow event for some, perhaps even a plowable one, dare I say it, and I do have a snowfall map, which I'm going to show you right now. Now, taking a look here at your expected snowfall, now this is just plain cruel. We're looking at 6 to as much as 8 inches of snow across some of the higher elevations of the Green Mountains and into the White Mountains of Maine and New Hampshire as well. 3 to 6 should do it from the Monadnock region and the Connecticut River Valley up into the Lakes region and likely into some of the foothills and lower peaks of Maine as well. 1 to 3 inches looks likely a little bit closer to the coastline here for places like Portland, Manchester, and Bangor, that I-95 corridor there in New Hampshire and Maine. And off to the south and east of there, and especially to the south and east of 495, that's where I think mixing will be held to a minimum. I think that it's just going to be a couple of degrees too warm, but I still can't rule out some flakes in places like Worcester, Lowell, and maybe even in towards Boston. Now, taking a look here at your 7-day forecast, first across southern New Hampshire and Massachusetts, we get that milder weather tomorrow, but it doesn't last too long as rain starts developing Sunday afternoon and night. It should stay primarily rain in this forecast zone of southern New Hampshire and Massachusetts, but once again, we'll see that transition to snow further to the north and west. Rain and snow continue during the day on Monday, depending on location, and it looks like a slow clearing during the day on Tuesday, but we will see some sunshine, I think, in the afternoon there. Wednesday actually looks like our next decent day here. I think we'll see partly to mostly sunny skies with highs in the mid to upper 50s. Thursday brings our next chance for a storm system, but right now that one appears to be all rain as it tracks to our west. So overall, a couple of little hiccups to get through with some snow and rain and some gloomy days, but overall, I think spring is well on its way here. Thank you.